Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. I am Catherine and today we have the Margot Elena box and this is their spring box and I cannot wait to get in here and see what we've got. The Margot Elena box comes out seasonally and it's $49.99 plus you pay shipping and that depends on where she's shipping it to. And it is chocked full of goodness. So Margot Elena is an international perfumer and she does Tokyo Milk and Lalia and so many like indie brand type scents that I just love this box. I love it from the way that it looks. Wait till you see when I open it. You will see, and I just know this, even though I haven't seen in it yet, it's gonna be gorgeous. It's always gorgeous. I mean, actually, before I even cut into it, look, she has arrived and it's already pretty with flowers. It's just such a pretty box. And then the beauty is you get past the pretty and into the products and you get some of the best hand lotions and body washes. They're just awesome. So get it open here. Oh, yeah, it's beautiful. So let's escape. Viva Spring. And that is what the seasons looks like. And pretty purple. It says, the wait is over. And when we open it up, this is what we see. And it's just going to get better. It's just going to get so good. I have talked in the past about how much I love this box and the fact that by the time I'm showing you this, every season, it's sold out. The spring one sold out probably 2 to 3 weeks before they even started shipping. It just sells out every season. And it usually sells out before we can even get a video up. So I will offer the same advice that I offered when I did the winter one. If this is a box that you have any interest in, you can go right on now and buy the summer box, but you're going to get charged now. And it's like 3 months out. And if that's okay with you, you'd have it out of the way and you'd know you'd be getting that summer box. But if you don't want to pay 3 months in advance, what I did the first time I ordered it, I set my timer for about 2 months from the time that I saw a video unboxing like I'm getting ready to do, so that I knew it would give me a month to purchase. And then it wouldn't be just sitting on my credit card for 2 months with no box. That's just what I did. And actually, I think my first box was the summer because I think I saw Subbox Lover unbox this in the spring. And then I've gotten it ever since then. I tried to get it that spring, but it was already sold out. Okay, so let's get into the goodness. Viva Spring. Look how pretty that is. This is our pamphlet that will tell us what we are getting this month. And I also have my iPad so I can look up a little bit of information to tell you because they give us just the basics. Let me tell you though, it says Beauty A Bloom. Margot Elena, number 10, Spring 2020 subscription box. Oh, so this must be her 10th. I think this is my 4th. I think it's my 4th. Come away with us as we escape into the blooming fields and our freshly tilled gardens in our spring edition discovery box. Sunny and full of life, this collection of refreshing favorites and the revival of a library of flowers favorite, Arboretum, inspires this beauty season of new beginnings. Breathe deep. I think we all need to breathe deep right now. And I tried to decide whether to discuss what's going out there in the world. And I thought, you know what? I bet you guys are coming over here to YouTube to forget about being inundated with everything we're being inundated with out there. So just know I am thinking of you guys and we will dive into this and play with some fun makeup-y things and try and forget all of that, even if just for a few minutes. Okay, right on top, we have a gorgeous soap. These are my favorite soaps. I love them so much and had talked about them so much that my mother found me some for Christmas. I was so excited. This one is Midnight in the Garden, number 12. Oh, it smells so good. It is way more floral than most of the ones that I have received. And the beauty of these soaps are, I mean, other than the fact that they're simply gorgeous, is they are triple milled in a pure vegetable base and enriched with shea butter. So they're fantastic soaps. And they have a value of $10. Right on top, we have a Tokyo Milk Dead Sexy. I think this is a lip balm. It is English Rose Nourishing Lip Balm. How cool is that container though? It is so cool. I love how she takes the pretty and puts the, so it kind of, it's got a lot of attitude. Let's open this up and see what it smells like. I don't know how much, I don't think I'm going to put my fingers in it since I've touched the box and I think that's where we are. Yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Very rosy. For those of you who say you don't love rose, this is very rosy. I am intrigued. I wonder if it tastes rosy. I guess I could use the back of my finger. No, I shouldn't touch it. Want to touch it? It's very rosy and nice. I'm sure it's lovely. This has a $12 value, and it is cocoa and shea butter, aloe, and organic hemp oil. Those are the featured ingredients. Okay, reaching in next, I have something that is both in a baggie and wrapped in purple. So I suspect it's the only thing they might have feared would leak. It's like opening a spring Easter present. And then once we get in here, we have, oh, it's perfume. I was gonna say we have more bubble wrap. And it is a gorgeous perfume, Lalia. I always say Lalia. I hope it's not Lolia, but At Last, Eau de Perfume, White Petals and Rice Flower, number 17. And that is what that looks like. How pretty is that? It is so pretty. This we can smell. Oh my goodness, I'm putting that on, even just from the little bit. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, that is heavenly. That is so, it's romantic and it's soft and light. Oh, and it's drying down. It's kind of just clean and floral, and I like it so much. Oh, it smells so good. Wow. It is 1.69 ounces. I forgot, when I have my iPad, I can make it bigger. We might can do this without glasses. So it is a $60 perfume, and it is white petals and rice flower. Soft, light floral, rice flower with southern magnolia and mimosa. That sounds lovely, doesn't it? That's exactly what it smells like. All of those light florals and just a really romantic, oh, that is, wow. That might be my new favorite. At Last is what it's called. Yum. Reaching in next, I have the Cottage Greenhouse Japanese Plum and White Tea Dry Body Oil. Well, I will tell you what, I have one of these downstairs and it's about half full. I got this just a couple of months ago, so that's a pretty quick repeat. So I will admit that's a pretty quick repeat. That said, I do like this product. I won't squirt this one now because, like I said, I have one that I'm using, and this is what that looks like. It's just a pretty glass bottle. I think my last one had a little paper leaf on it. They've done away with that. Let's see what this says. It is $26, and it's the Japanese Plum and White Tea Dry Body Oil. And the featured ingredients are white tea extract, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and grapeseed oil. And like I said, I'm not going to squirt this out because I know I love the scent. I have one downstairs that's about half full that I really try and use, especially on my legs when I get out of the shower and especially when I shave. That's a great purpose for it. All right, next, and big, they wrap their things so well. And then bubble wrap. Of course, I'm going to edit this so you guys don't have to hear this. So, okay, we have it. It is a gorgeous glass bottle. I do have to put my glasses on for this because it is, oh, that's the back. I couldn't read what it was. Of course, it says absolutely nothing. It's on the front. So that is what it looks like. So pretty. So you can see the cucumbers in the back. It is the Cottage Greenhouse Cucumber and Honey Foaming Bubble Bath. So I think I can, like I said, that's the beauty of the iPad. I can make it bigger. This is a $32 value, but it's 16 ounces. Like I said, it's another gorgeous glass container. This says that the featured ingredients are cucumber extract, honey, avocado oil, macadamia oil, almond oil, and cocoa oil. And that gives a long-lasting bubble. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's very light. All I smell is my perfume. Still smells lovely. It's a very, very light cucumber scent. It's not overpowering at all, and I appreciate that. Sometimes, you know, when things are made out of cucumber, you feel like you're sitting in a salad. And we have, I see sitting right in here, I imagine this is for this. I'm not positive, but I feel pretty good about it. Okay, next I have a number 6. I'm going to say Dead Sexy because that's generally what the packaging looks like on the Dead Sexy travel candle. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it's nice and light and fresh. They really, for spring, went with light and fresh, and I so appreciate that. That is very nice. And it is Fearless is the name. There's so many pretty things. I never am sure what to show you guys. It's so gorgeous. This says that it is number 6 Fearless, $12 value. And the notes are bergamot, jasmine, black plum, and white musk. And it is a romantic, and it is all natural soy wax and coconut wax blend. Delightful. Okay, reaching in next, we have another lovely package and bubble wrap. And this is what we have. Look how pretty that is. I don't know if you guys can see that within the blue flowers, there's like a gold filigree look. It's so pretty. And this is the Lalia Dream White Tea and Honeysuckle Perfumed Shower Gel. Yum. Oh, that smells so fresh and nice. It's not too honeysuckly, you know what I mean? It doesn't smell like your grandmother. It smells very floral, but it doesn't have that single note, maternal. I hope you guys know what I mean. Oh, it smells good. I will absolutely be using that just here in a second. So this is a $22 value, and it is 8 ounces. And this says that it is shea, jojoba oil, aloe leaf, honey extract, mango extract, avocado extract, bee balm leaf extract. And the fragrance is linden, white tea, honeysuckle, and bergamot. Look how pretty. So pretty. Love this. Next we have, this is our hand cream, I bet, because we almost always get a hand cream. This is the Tokyo Milk hand cream in Song of the Siren. Look how pretty that is. And then this slides right off, and we have more prettiness. And then, look how pretty that hand cream is. Oh my gosh. That is so, I mean, like sitting on your vanity or in your purse, if that's where, it's gorgeous. This says that it is $22, 2.7 ounces, and the notes are pressed petals, rosewater, mandarin, aqua, and marine. And it is a shea butter hand cream. Oh, and this isn't, sometimes they're in metal, but this is in plastic, so it has a regular seal, which I do love the metal packaging, but I am kind of relieved to have it just have a regular seal. My hands can so use this. The hand washing is out of control. Between hand washing and sanitizing these days, guys, are your hands rough too? Oh, that's nice. I smell the bergamot. I guess the rose water is like rose, but very subtle because I don't get any rose scent from this. It's just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels so good. I want to do it again. Like I said, my hands, from all the hand washing, they want to be rough. Okay, and I think last but never least with Margot Elena, we have Library of Flowers Perfume Crema. When I got this in my first box, I didn't really understand what I was getting. I thought it was a small tin of cream that you could use for hand cream, like I just used that. That's not what this is. What this is a perfume. And it's like an eau de parfum, but it is 3 times the scent. So you just take a little dab and put this on. Now, if you have the same fragrance in the perfume, they say go ahead and layer. But this is intended to be used as a perfume. Let's get in it and see what it smells like. Oh, this is the one that they said they were bringing back special this season in Arboretum, right? Yes. And it twists off. And it's just a cream. And like I said, last time I did this, I thought it was just a nice little tin of hand cream. And when I put it on the first day, I thought, that is so strong. And then I read it, and it basically said, oh, my hands are not clean. I want to get in here. You just take a dip, and then you can put it on any pulse point wherever you want. I mean, use as much as you want, but it just takes a little bit, and it acts like an eau de parfum, and you smell it all day. This smells fantastic. It's creamy and fresh, a little bit green, you know what I mean? Just not earthy, because that implies a muskier earthy. This is just kind of green, kind of bright, but not fresh grass. Let's see what the paperwork says. This tin is so pretty. I just love having these things sit on my vanity or on, they're just gorgeous. I don't mind this sitting next to my chair. They're so pretty. This says that it is $21, and it is the Library of Flowers Arboretum Perfume Crema. And it is 3 times the fragrance of Eau de Parfum, and it's perfume that is in a cream base, and it is long lasting. Okay, so that is my entire Margot Elena box, and it says we got a $217 value this season, and I think that's probably the highest value. They promise you a $200 value with the box, and I have found in the past they stay really close to that. It's usually like 201, 204. It's just right there. 217 I think might be my highest valued box, but it doesn't matter. It's a $50 box, and you get $200 worth of product, and it's all fantastic. I love it. You might have gathered that from how excited I get when this box comes in and how much I refer to it. We've started getting some of the Library of Flower and Tokyo Milk in our Ipsies, and every time I open an Ipsy and I have one, I'm so excited. So in review for our $50, let's see if we can do a day. Well, we got the shower gel, or if you were more of a bubble bath person, we have that. And then we have the Cottage Greenhouse dry oil that you can put on to stay moisturized, and the Tokyo Milk lovely, lovely hand cream. Oh, or if you didn't see so many decisions, if you didn't feel like the shower gel, you've got this lovely soap. While you're getting ready, you could also have your candle lit, and your room space could be smelling lovely also, although it's going to smell lovely from just putting all of these things on your body. There's the pretty Dead Sexy lip balm, which does smell very rosy in this scent. And then you have your fragrance choice to make. The Lalia at Last Spray or the Arboretum Library of Flowers Crema. So many choices. And look, I just poked it all back in this box, and even with just me poking it after showing it to you guys, look how pretty it looks. It's just so pretty. Okay, I've gone on and on about this enough. I love these products. The spring box is unfortunately already sold out. So if you have any interest in the summer box, and set your calendar for about 2 months from today and go and buy it before it sells out. It usually sells out a solid 2 weeks before it ships, and I just received this box. Thank you guys so much for coming by. I hope that you're having a great day out there. Stay safe, take care of you, and I will see you really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys.